Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make app from Thunkable in mobile, only way. Start by opening Thunkable, signing in, and tapping New Project to set screen size and orientation. Add components from the palette, name them clearly, and set properties right away. Use the Blocks tab to wire logic visually, test frequently using live test, tweak UI for touch, and export your APK or share the project link with collaborators. Design with touch in mind. Keep tappable elements large and spaced, and test on multiple device sizes using live test. Use rows and columns to lock down structure, add images and buttons for core interactions, and employ labels for clear instructions. Use consistent fonts and color contrasts for accessibility. Name each component logically and reuse styles to speed development. Then save often and preview flows before moving to blocks for functionality wiring. Move to the Blocks editor and prototype one feature at a time, starting with button. Click events and simple navigation. Create variables to retain state, use lists for repeated items, and add conditional logic for branching. Test each change using live test and on-device previews to catch touch and layout issues. Debug by showing temporary labels for values, log critical events, and iterate until behavior feels smooth and intuitive across screens and devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.